Whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love. First John chapter 4 verses 8. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I am so excited today to share with you this delicious Ghanaian shrimp fried rice that you are going to absolutely love. Please do well to stay tuned. You don't have to do too much, but it will end up shocking everybody that you make this fried rice for. So please, let's get started. As usual, I have listed each and every ingredient down below in the description box with it right quantity, so please kindly check it out. All right, let's get into it. To begin with, I like to steam some chicken, and I love to always make sure I use the right ingredient for it. So I blended some onions, ginger, garlic, and some herbs, which is going to be the best marinade for this chicken right here. I am using chicken quarters today, but please feel free to use any part of the chicken that you prefer. All right, to that I'm going to add a teaspoon each of salt, garlic, some chicken seasoning, and I am going to go ahead and mix it very well, and go ahead and put it on fire. Allow it to steam on a low to medium heat before I add extra water. Right here, I am very much particular about the stock that I'm going to get here. It's so important. Smells delicious already. The main chicken juices has been released that I absolutely love, and I'm going to add a little bit more of water because I want enough juices to be able to soak my rice in here and cook it all the way through. I absolutely love the stock that I'm going to get here, and it's very much important. So I'm going to add about half cup of water to this, and go ahead and cover it again and allow it to steam for the next 10 minutes on a medium heat. All right, the chicken is nicely steamed and cooked now, so I'm going to take them out and allow it to rest before I go ahead and fry it in the oven. I'm going to oven fry this, yes, using the air fryer method in the oven. It's possible. All right, so to the stock I'm going to add some turmeric powder, a bit of curry powder, and some salt. Make sure I stir it very well, and this is going to be my stock in which I'm going to cook my rice. The base of the rice, of your fried rice, is very important. I know that most of the time we use like leftover rice for fried rice and stuff, but if you want to really enjoy a very good homemade Ghanaian fried rice, please use this recipe because it's the best of them all. So I'm going to add my Jasmine long grain rice. It's nicely washed, and I used about 2.5 cups of this, and I'm going to cover it, allow it to cook for the next 25 minutes. I want it to be very nice and fluffy, as you see. Once the rice is nicely cooked, I'm going to put it on a tray or a bowl and allow it to rest before I begin to fry this. The chicken here is also ready. I'm going to get all the other ingredients ready. Let's begin with the eggs. So I cracked some 4 eggs and seasoned with some garlic powder and all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to do same to the shrimp as well. After seasoning everything, I'm going to set them aside. I'll also go ahead and dice my vegetables, and I used the slice that was so good. So now that all my ingredients are set, let's begin with the frying process. So in my pot, I'm going to add a little bit of oil and begin with the shrimp. Once they turn very nice and pink, I'm going to set it aside and go ahead with the eggs as well. All right. These shrimps were so jumbo and very, very delicious looking. Please be careful you do not consume everything at a go, okay? I went in with my very nicely seasoned eggs. I'm going to scramble it. I'm going to make sure it's very nice and fluffy as you see me do here. And my pot was a bit messy, so I went ahead to clean it and went ahead with a bit of more oil and then add all my diced vegetables, and also went ahead to fry this for just 2 minutes. And to that I also added some all-purpose seasoning, a bit of garlic granules, and I also added a tiny weeny bit of salt. If you are a pepper lover, go ahead and throw in some few pepper powder in here, and also add a bit of ginger powder, or some, just grate some fresh ginger in here. It's always life changing. Okay, add it there and just go ahead and stir everything around for 2 minutes, and then add your very nicely cooked rice, which has been cooled down, and continue to mix everything together, and you're going to get the best of the best Ghanaian version of fried rice that you've ever had. This is so delicious. If this rice is well cooked, you do not have to worry too much. Just look how beautiful and vibrant it is looking already. And let me tell you, it is smelling so good in here. The rice itself is very well seasoned. So guess what? You don't have to do too much at all. All that I added with just about a teaspoon each of soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and a little bit of Maggie seasoning, just a tiny bit, because the rice is already seasoned. You don't have to go and add too much of that at all. Okay, just look how vibrant it looks, and just sizzling hot and delicious it looks. So all that I have to do is add the rest of the proteins, my eggs and the shrimps, and we are good to go. Oh my goodness, this fried rice was so good. When it comes to fried rice, I always love me some crunch in there, so I went ahead to chop few spring onions and just threw a few in there, and boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, it was so perfect. And I went ahead to just make sure I stir everything together, allow it to simmer for about a minute, and my fried rice was ready. So good, so inviting, and so easy to make. Are you going to try? Let me know in the comment section. I know you will love this so much. This was such a beauty and a very delicious meal. So all that I had to do was to serve. My hubby, he enjoyed this so much. And make sure you throw in some salad on the side. The salad today, I just went with some ice pick salad, a bit of french fries. Yes. That's the twist. A bit of baked beans, and I just ran some ketchup and mayo on top. It was so good, very easy, simple, no eggs wahala. It was so good. Very tasty. Try this and you're going to love it. Make sure you have your chicken on the side and our very delicious homemade shito, which I've also shared the recipe here. I am going to link it here and below in the description box. This is homemade, so please do not be stingy with your shito at all. I went for the street style way of serving fried rice, and it was so good. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this so much, and it was very delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try, because I know definitely that you're going to enjoy it so much with the rest of your family. Thanks so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please darling, come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.